Welcome back, my dear students of class 10. I am Rajendra Rai, biology teacher from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, I am presenting this video, this digital video for your learning. And as previously you have learned so many things from my videos, and now let it start the topic of the humans blood group inheritance. The inheritance of the blood group in human being. In this topic, you will be able to learn that how the different groups of the blood get inherited in human being. My dear students, as you know, in human there are 4 types of the blood groups are found, and these blood groups are A, B, AB and O. As you know, my dear students, this A, the blood group A will always accept the blood group A and blood group O, while B always accepts the blood group B and blood group O, while this AB, the blood group AB, will always accept the blood groups of A, B, AB and O, while it will not be the donor. My dear student, this O, it will give its blood to all the groups of the human, but the O group will take only the blood group of the O, the blood of the blood group of the O. So this is the universal donor, this is the universal receiver. From this starting point, my dear students, let us start some new details about these blood groups. My dear students, this blood group A will have the gene of the A, and the code of the gene will be the IA. If it will be in pair, then that will be the IA. That will be the pure. This B, that will have the IB and IB. This AB, that will have the IA and IB. This O will have, this O does not have any type of integer. That is why the code will be the IO and IO. My dear students, let us start the process of inheritance in the different groups of the blood. Dear student, take the example of the blood group A and blood group O. This is the first case and vice versa. So, when the cross in between the blood group A will be if male is having blood group A or female is having blood group A and male or female is having blood group O, then what happens? See it. This is the first case. In first case, what will be going to happen? This IA and IO. Then what will happen? You have to see it that all offsprings are heterozygous of blood group A. This is the homozygous. This is the homozygous, and what will happen in this case? See this, the gametogenesis takes place, which results like this: IA and IA, while here this one IO and IO. Then as per the cross rule, as per the Mendel's rule, what is going to happen? You have to see this one with this one with this, and this one with this, and this one with this. So the result is now I O. This one will be the I A and I O. This will be the I A and I O, and same thing is here also, that is I A and I O. So all the progeny will be the heterozygous. F1 generation, in F1 they will be the heterozygous, and since this is the dominant character, so heterozygous group A. All the progeny will be the heterozygous of group A as per the law of the dominance of the Mendel in the F1 generation. My dear students, come to the second case, that is the blood group A when combining with the blood group B. See it in second case, blood group A means IA, when it cross with the IB and IB, then what is going to happen? See here, this one and this. So I K, these are the gametes. These will be the gametes I B and I B. Then what is going to happen? See, cross will be with this, cross will be with this, and cross will be this, and let it rectify my dear students. This cross will be with this, and let it again rectify. This cross is with this, and 1, 2, 3, and this cross is with this one. So what is going to happen? I A, I B, I A and I B, I A and I B, then I A and I B. So in the F1 generation, in the blood group of the A and B, when the person of blood group A or woman of blood group A get married with the blood group B, then what happen? In F1 generation, all progeny will be the heterozygous, but they will of the blood group AB. They will be the blood group AB in F1 generation. F1 generation blood group AB In F1 generation, there will be the blood group AB. So, and R will be the heterozygous. They will be not homozygous because this AB blood group heterozygosity will be there. And if a man of heterozygous of blood group A marry with the woman of blood group heterozygous blood group B, then their children may be the as the following. Suppose heterozygosity is there. Take the example of one here, IA and IO and IB and IO. Then what is going to happen? You have to see. You have to see the result. You have to see the result. That if heterozygosity will be there, then what is going to happen? This one IA, IO, and this one IA and IO. Then what is going to happen? This one with this one with this one with this, and this one with and this one with this. Then what is going to happen? IA and IO, this one with this, then IO, and this is and here this will be like this, IA and IO. So it will be pure O group and it will be the heterozygous A group. So this is the F2 generation as per the Mendel's rule. My dear student, apart from these, let us take the example of what is going to happen. Blood group O, that blood group O means if the man of blood group O marry with the woman of the blood group O, then the progeny will be the blood group O definitely. But there will be the genes of other categories also that will be present in the recessive manner in that blood group. My dear students, this grouping of the blood that is dependent upon the different types of the genes which are coded as the IA, IB, and IA, IB, IO and IO. So this is all. Now take the example of group B and group O. My dear students, if there will be the group this one be the IB, and IO. Then what will be happen? This one, this with this, with this, and this with this, and this with this. So the progeny will be the IB, IO, IB, IO, IB, and the cross in between them takes place, then what is going to happen? See this one with this one with this one with this one with this O group, then this one with this B group, then this one with this. So B group that will get segregated and O group that will be also segregated. Apart from the two progeny will be of the blood group B, that is the dominant character. Therefore, my dear students, let us explain in detail about the inheritance of the blood group of different types of the blood group in human. My dear students, see that the blood groups that are having the A group is having antigen A, B is having antigen B, AB is having antigen A and B, and O that does not having any antigen, so IO and IO. And this one, that if cross in between the male and female of blood group A and blood group O, then what happens? There will be the heterozygosity of blood group A in the F1 generation, as the cross is made here. In F2 generation, there will be the segregation of the different pure characters, and blood group A will be segregated, blood group O will be segregated apart from the two progeny of the hybrid blood group nature, that is having the hybrid genetic structure, and blood group will be the A. Dear students, in this case, blood group A and B when crossed to each other, then the formation of the blood group into the F1 generation, that will be the AB, blood group AB that will be formed. Other examples like blood group B and blood group O, then you can make the experiment like this, that the blood group B and blood group O, then the segregation of these blood groups in the F2 generation, B group will be get segregated and O group will be segregated, and B and O, blood group B that will be the heterozygous, that will be also formed in the F2 generation also, and later on all these things will be the repeated just like the Mendel's law of inheritance. Therefore, my dear students, as you known about the sex determination, that X and Y, XX and YY, these are the two chromosomes, they are called the sex chromosomes, and XX is for the female and XY for the male, and the chances of the newborn baby will be the depend upon the cross of the X of the female and Y of the male. That will be the chance for the male baby, and cross of the X of the female with the X of the male, then there will be the chance of the female baby will be there. So you have to clarify all the myths that are present in the society about this blood grouping, as well as the born of the male or female child by a married couple. So there are so many mysterious things, so many misleads are present in the society, and by this education, dear students, you have to eradicate all the misleads, all the myths from the society, because you are the new generation students and getting the education like this. My dear students, by these experiments, Mendel gives a lot to our society about the knowledge, about the different types, to eradicate the different types of the myths, and a lot of the contributions that he did in the field of the genetic engineering, and the benefits of the genetic engineering, benefits of the inheritance, benefits of the heredity that we are enjoying nowadays in different forms, in the form of agriculture, in the form of improved crop, in the form of too much food production, in the form of good variety production, in the form of human welfare. My dear students, you have to put the like this video and you have to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.